got
Ty?
them.
I think they're all.
Okay, what the hell?
I think they're all. I think they're infidels. So no matter how much you kill, it's
Yeah,
gonna
at this
keep on
point,
coming back.
There.
I knew you were
Where?
cooked. So,
Oh.
yeah. Go.
Wait, what's that? You need
The
this
heart.
sword.
The heart.
We need this sword.
Nope. I don't know. Ow.
Ah!
Ow, ow.
It's lava.
I forgot to tell you, it's rising lava. Oh no. Not fair, you got a grappler. Yes! Crap, they're massive.
Oh no shit!
Go locked onto us! Run! No! Be careful. Oh, no need to bring the language up, boy. Shh, run, no. How am I supposed to do this? Wait. I found the new walls. What the? No. Not good, not good, not good, not good. Really intense. I think this is harder than sewers.
No shit!
Stop swearing. I got a couple of them. I'm gonna go back. Somehow.
Yes, somehow.
Don't even know how I'm supposed to even get it out. Never mind what the place looks like. How am I supposed to get out?
Fucking one, Gauss.
They're surrounding the exit. I made it out. I made it out alive.
Hey, come back. I see you. What time? Wait, what did it get?
They look weird. Watch. What's this? No, don't grab them. Don't grab them, leave it.
And sorry.
Grab that and get out. How much do we get from this?
I think. Probably a what, most likely.
Please give me a lot, like 1,000. At least
No,
1,000.
it has to be. Has to be.
Oh!
Not bad.
That was only 3?
Only 3 of them.
Yeah?
Can I my grapple back?
We might have to do that again.
No, I'm gonna die.
Alright, anyway.
Ow, you fucked. Ew.
Alright, just there. This is where I'm gonna end the video. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Christopher, say goodbye.
Damn.
Say goodbye.